Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, in the previous video lecture, we learned what is an algebraic expression and we learned about term, for coefficient, factors. Now, in this video lecture, let's solve exercise 12.1. Now, question number 1 here is, get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. सो सिचुएशन हमारे पास दी गई होगी, हमें वेरिएबल्स कॉन्स्टेंट्स और अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस का यूज करके उसकी एक एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन बनानी है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ z फ्रॉम y. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट z फ्रॉम y. सो विल सिंपली राइट y माइनस z. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression. Then part second is 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. It means first we have to sum numbers x and y, that means x plus y, and then we have to do 1/2 of that. That means 1/2 of x plus y. Okay, then third is the number z multiplied by itself. So we have to multiply this z by itself, that means z into z, and z into z is z square. So z square is the algebraic expression here. Then fourth part is 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. So first we have to multiply p and q, and then we have to multiply it with 1/4. So it means 1/4 of p into q. P into q is pq, or you can write this as pq by 4, because 1 into pq is pq by 4. Okay, then the part fifth is numbers x and y both squared and added. नंबर x और y दोनों को स्क्वायर करना है और उसके बाद उनको ऐड करना है. दैट मीन्स x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर. ओके, so this is the algebraic expression in this case. So students, you will solve rest of the parts of this question yourself. Now students, question number 2 is identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. So हमारे पास algebraic expression दी गई है, हमें algebraic expression में बताने हैं terms कौन कौन से और उन terms के factors क्या है, और ये सब कुछ हमें tree diagram से दिखाना है. So part first is x minus 3. Here x minus 3 is an expression, and this expression is having two terms, x and minus 3. Okay, then factors, x is having only one factor x and minus 3 is having only one factor, that is minus 3. That's why अब हमने यहाँ पे factors को अलग से नहीं दिखाया है. So x minus 3 is an expression, x and minus 3 are the terms, and x has only one factor, that is x, and minus 3 has only one factor, that is minus 3. Then b part is 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square is an expression, and this expression is having three terms, that is 1, x and x square. Then this 1 is having only one factor, that is 1 itself. Then this x has one factor, that is x itself. Then this x square has two factors, that is x and x. Okay, so this is this was the expression, these are the terms, and these are the factors. Okay, then e part is minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. So this is the expression. Now this expression is having three terms, minus ab, 2b square minus 3a square. Then this minus ab is having three factors. See students, you have to remember, जिस वेरिएबल के साथ कोफिशिएंट कुछ भी नहीं होता है उसका कोफिशिएंट 1 होता है. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, जिसका कोई नहीं है उसका 1 है. सो यहाँ पे माइनस ए बी, इट मीन्स हेयर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस माइनस ए बी इज माइनस 1. ओके, सो माइनस 1 इज अ फैक्टर, a is a factor and b is a factor. Then this 2b square is having factors 2, b and b. Then this minus 3a square has also three factors, minus 3, a and a. Okay, these are the factors, these are terms, and this is an expression. Now students, you will solve rest of the parts of this question also yourself. Now part second of this question is identify the terms and factors in the expressions given below. Again we are given expressions and we have to find identify the terms and factors. Now first part is minus 4x plus 5. This minus 4x plus 5 is an expression, and this expression is having two terms, minus 4x and 5. Then this minus 4x has two factors, minus 4 and x, and this 5 has only one factor, that is 5. Okay, then I have taken g part here, 3/4x plus 1/4. So this is the expression. Then we are having two terms here, 3/4x is a term and 1/4 is a term. Then this 3/4x has two factors, 3/4 comma x, and this 1/4 has only one factor, that is 1/4. Okay, so students, you will solve this rest of the parts of this question also yourself. Now question number 3 is identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than the constants in the following expressions. So expressions हमारे पास दी गई होंगी, constant terms को नहीं लेना है, वो terms जिसमें वेरिएबल है उस वेरिएबल के साथ जो न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट है वो हमें बताना है. So expression is 5 minus 3t square. Now this 5 is a constant. We don't have to write this term. We have to write the term which is having a numerical coefficient. So this minus 3t square is a term which is having a numerical coefficient as minus 3. So term is minus 3t square and this coefficient is minus 3. Okay. The next fifth part I have taken here, minus p square q square plus 7pq. Expression is minus p square q square plus 7pq. So we are having here two terms, that is minus p square q square and 7pq. Now this minus p square q square has a coefficient minus 1. Okay, I have already told you that जिसका coefficient कुछ भी mention नहीं हो उसका minus 1 इसका 1 होता है. So here it is minus 1 and here it is 7. Then part 9th is 0.1y 0 plus 0.01y square. So this is the expression. Then terms are 0.01y and 0.01y square. And the coefficient is 0.01 and here also coefficient is 0.01. So students, you have to remember in this question that you have to write the only those terms which are having numerical coefficients, or we can say the variable terms. And the constant terms, like just like here it was a constant term, we don't have to write it. Okay, so solve rest of parts of this question yourself. Now question number 4 is identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. अब expression जो दी गई है उसमें वो term जिसके साथ x है वो वाली term लिखनी है और उसके साथ x के साथ जो भी है वो हमें in the form of coefficient लिखना है. So first is y square x plus y. So this is the expression and term which contains x. किस term में x है? This y square x is a term which is having x and इस x के साथ यहाँ पे क्या है? Y square. So this is the coefficient of this x square, x here. Okay. Then part 5th is 1 plus xy. So this is the expression and terms which contain x is this x and xy. Now this x is having coefficient 1 and this xy is having coefficient y. Okay. Then part B is identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. अब वो terms identify करनी है जिसमें y square होगा और उस y square के साथ क्या है coefficient वो बता देना है. So this is the expression here 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. So y square किस term में है? This one and this. So these are the two terms which contain y square and this term, this y square is having coefficient here minus 15x and this y square is having coefficient 7 here. Okay. So students, solve rest of the parts of this question also yourself. Now students, question number 5 is classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So you are given algebraic expressions and you have to say whether the given algebraic expression is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. So first is 4y minus 7z. Since this expression has two terms, so this is a binomial. Now this y square, this is only one term, so it's monomial. Then x plus y minus xy, these are three terms, so this is a trinomial. Then 100, this is only one term, it's monomial. Then ab minus a minus b, these are three terms, so this is also trinomial. Okay. Then question number 6 is state whether a given pair of terms is like or unlike terms. So हमारे पास pair of terms दी गई है and we have to say whether the pair of terms are like or unlike. So first is 1 comma 100. This is a constant term, this is also a constant term, so both of these are like terms. Then minus 7x and 5 by 2x. This term is having x, this term is also having x. So the algebraic factors are same, so these are also like terms. Then minus 29x minus 29y. Here algebraic factor is x and here we have y, so these are unlike terms. Then 14xy and 42yx. See students, here algebraic factors are x and y and here also we have x and y. Okay. So यहाँ पे पहले y लिख के है बाद में x, it doesn't matter. What matters is here we are having x and y and here also we are having x and y. So these are the like terms. Then 4m square p, 4mp square. Here we are having m square, but here we have only 1m. Okay. So and here p एक है and यहाँ पे p square है. So these are unlike terms. then 12xz 12x square z square. यहाँ x और z है सिर्फ, यहाँ x square and z square है, so these are also unlike terms. Clear? Now students, question number 7 is identify the like terms in the following. Part first is minus xy square minus 4yx square 8x square 2xy square 7y minus 11x square minus 100x minus 11yx 20x square y minus 6x square y 2xy and 3x. So we have to identify the like terms. See students, this first term is having x and y square. Now we have to find out another term which contains x and y square. So this is the term, this is having x and y square. So these are the like terms, minus xy square and 2xy square. Then next term is this yx square. Now we will find another term which is having y and x square. Now see students, this term is having y and x square. यहाँ पे पहले y है बाद में x square है, यहाँ पहले x square है बाद में y है. It doesn't matter. What matters is कि both contains the y and x square. So these are also like terms, minus 4y square and 20x square y. Then the third term is this 8x square. Now we have to find out another term which contains x square. So this is the term, this is having x square, so 8x square and minus 11x square, these are like terms. Clear? The next is this, it's already done. Okay, then we have the 7y. Now we have to find out the term which contains y. So this is the term which contains y. So 7y and y are the like terms. Okay, then we have this 100x. This 100, so we have to find out the term which contains only x. So this is the term. So minus 100x and 3x, these are the like terms. And then we have this yx. Yx is, here we have yx, minus 11yx 2xy. Okay, these are also the like terms. Okay, so you will solve part B of this question yourself. So I'll end this video lecture here. In the next video we'll learn further concepts and then do next exercise. Till then you will keep on practicing all those questions on your practice notebooks. Allah Hafiz.